Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P Ross back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out. I have a special unboxing for y'all right quick. But this is a two-part unboxing. First of all, we're going to be taking a look at this Bulova watch right here, right? Then, we're going to be taking a look at these particular eyeglasses. You know what I mean? That I just got. And I've been waiting to do this unboxing when I got the eyeglasses. So, let's get into it. Alright, first we're going to do the eyeglasses, right? So, I don't know if y'all know or not, but Bulova also does eyewear, right? So, I actually got me a pair, and these are prescription, you know, because I can't see. But these are prescription frames, but they are Bulova frames. The case is titanium. You know what I'm saying? One of the strongest materials in the world, of course. And if you know watches, you know what I'm saying? You know some watches are titanium, but this is a Bulova frame. So I'm going to take these Ray-Bans off and put on these Bulovas. How they look? They fly, right? You know what I mean? So let's get into the watch. You know what I mean? Right here, right now, Bulova. Let's get into it. Yo, what's up, people? Here we go. Bulova watch unboxing. Y'all just saw the eyeglasses fly as hell. Now let's get into this Bulova watch. Let's go. There it is, y'all. This is a Bulova CURV watch. The world's first curve movement. Bulova's always making history with their products. You know what I mean? That's why I love them so much. You know what I mean? So let's get into some specs. All right, precision timing to 1 to 1,000th of a second. 12-hour chronograph function. One of the world's most accurate movements, accurate to within seconds of a year. Precisionist class movement. Yeah, this has the precisionist movement in it. So what y'all can do is actually head on over to SoCal Watch Reviews. My man Miguel, you know what I mean? He just did a video changing the battery and the precisionist. So go check that out. It's stainless steel case and bracelet. Curved mineral crystal. Multi-layer black fiber, blue and silver dial. Luminous hour and minute hands. There's a calendar window. There's a tachymeter. Screw in back, which is right here. You can see it. There go the screws right there to get in this thing. A screw down crown. You know what I mean? And water resistance up to 300 meters. Now, just looking at this watch, I think this watch is fly as hell. I love that blue dial. That blue dial is hot. You know what I mean? So you got your second hand right here. Your function pushers on this side and that side. There go your screw down crown with the Bulova symbol right there. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna try this joint on the wrist right quick. So let's get into it. Yo, here we go. Here we go, y'all. Rocking the Swiss Army vintage watch from 1990 right now. You understand? But we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try this baby on right quick. So let's get into it. Take this off. Alright, let's see. Do I have to adjust it though? I don't think I do. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take some links out, but here's how it look on the wrist. Bulova CURV. Right there, y'all. Right there. Check him out. You know what I'm saying? I might as well go ahead and take the links out right quick for y'all. So just stand back. So let's go ahead and get these tools out right quick. You know what I mean? Bang. If you haven't got yourself a tool set, you actually need to get one. Quit playing. Stop paying high amounts of dollars for people to do simple stuff for your ass. You understand? So let's do it. Let's get into it. Let's see. This and that. This is all I need. Okay? I'm gonna say, let's see. Let's put them on right quick. Let's see what's up. Let's see, about 2 links on each side. Yeah, let's do 2 links on each side. All right, let's get into it. All right, there we go, people. We got it in there correctly this time. Now, let's go for the try-on. See how great it's fitting. Ooh, that feels good on the wrist. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, check that out. That's it right there. Bulova curve movement. Look at that. Fitting perfectly on my wrist. You know what I mean? And there it is. So there it is, y'all. The Bulova curve watch on the wrist and the Bulova frames. Ain't they fly though? Look how fly those are. They fly as hell. You know what I'm saying? The titanium frames. Get into it, y'all. Ross wrist watch love, and we out. Peace.